of our IKEA chocolate advent calendar. Mom's gonna jump in when she feels ready. This is a big one. Wonder what this is. A little nervous. What? It's a $5 gift card to IKEA. That is insane. Thank you, IKEA. This is great. This is great. And it's not just the gift card. It's this little chocolate bar, mini milk chocolate bar with, it's so cute. It's wrapped like Santa. Sorry, guys, that took me off. I was like, what? Surprise. So here is the chocolate bar from IKEA. It's so smooth. It's so good. Not that I should be shocked. So far, this is my favorite one, guys. Great job, IKEA. Come back for day 7.